On a 20-question true-false quiz, a student guesses on every question. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. What is the probability that the student scores 15 or more points? In this quiz, we have a fixed number of trials, which is 20 questions. Guessing one question is independent of the outcome of another. For each question, there are only 2 possible outcomes, a correct or an incorrect answer. The probability of guessing a true-false question correctly is constant, which is 50% or 0.5. This scenario satisfies all the 4 necessary and sufficient conditions of a binomial distribution perfectly. Since the binomial distribution deals with discrete outcomes, we'll use the binomial probability formula to calculate the individual probabilities of getting 15 or more correct answers, and then add them all together. Let's calculate the probability of getting exactly 15 correct answers. By inserting our values into the binomial probability mass function formula, the calculation results in a probability approximately 0.0148. Similarly, we calculate the probabilities for 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 correct answers. To find the cumulative probability of 15 or more correct answers, we add these values together, which results in a total probability of 0.0207, or 2.07%. This confirms that option A is the correct answer.